Dealing with a picky eater, these sweet, savory, and succulent shrimp are a game changer. Today, my mom is sharing with us her famous and very secretive Vietnamese shrimp recipe. What I love about her recipe is that it comes together in just under 30 minutes, and we are starting with a bag of frozen shrimp. This recipe comes together in 3 simple steps. In step 1, she will show us how to thaw and dry the shrimp so that you will never get soggy shrimps ever again. In step 2, she will share with us her marinade. It is completely non-traditional. And then in step 3, I'm adding my little spin to her recipe by creating a sauce. She's a little camera shy, so she'll be guiding us behind the camera. So the first step is to thaw the shrimp. Fill the container with cold water. Cold is important. If you put warm, you're going to cook the shrimp. And then add half a tablespoon of salt. Leave it there until it's thawed. Once the shrimps are thawed, remove the water. Rinse the shrimp under cold water. The goal here is to remove the salt. My mom's hack is to use a salad spinner in order to get the shrimp to be bone dry. Do this until there's no more water at the bottom of the salad spinner. My mom is going to do the test to make sure our shrimp is dry enough. When she squeezes, no water comes out. My mom came to my house. She was looking for food and she saw the way I had made my shrimp and she went, The first step is sugar.
Yeah.
Combien, maman?
Une cuillère à café.
Une cuillère à café, 1 full teaspoon. So I got sugar. Let's make it full, like this. Dump it in. We're going to add half a teaspoon of salt. Next, add 1 teaspoon of granulated garlic. Shake. We're going to add a pinch of turmeric, and it's very important you put this in a bowl. Add half a teaspoon of Maggi and just give it a swirl. Make sure this is well mixed. Mix immediately. Now that we've tossed all this, just regular oil, we are going to add 2 teaspoons of cognac. And finally, some flour. 1 pinch, 2, 3, 4. This is going to keep the juices from the shrimp inside the shrimp. Turn on the burner to high heat. Add the shrimp. Make sure to provide space between them. After the first minute, you should get a nice caramelization. Turn it around. Total cook time should be around 3 minutes. Let's make my sauce inspired by Helen. In the same pan, add butter, garlic, some honey. Once it's caramelized, you're going to add some salt as well as some smoked paprika. Add some water to thin out the sauce. I like to add some lemon juice to wake up the sauce as well as a dash of fish sauce. I thought I'd show you how this looks like. My goodness, look. I mean, one, the coloration, and when you cut into it, there's just that snap. Savory, sweet, smoky, so many layers of flavor. Add some rice and cucumbers and you've got yourself a perfectly healthy meal in less than 30 minutes. If you like this recipe, please share it with a parent who has a picky eater at home. And please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bon appétit.